COVID-19 has impacted a lot of people. It is unprecedented and uncertain. Recently, I have a lot of questions from my existing clients since COVID-19 happened. They asked me like, hey Sandy, will COVID-19 affect my policy? What if I'm diagnosed of COVID-19? Is my insurance policy going to be paid out? I understand that's a common concern. That's the first thing that people ask, when it comes about insurance policy. Will this pay out? Will that pay out? My name is Sandy. I'm the insurance and private equity advisor, and this is Real Money, Real Talk. In this video, I will talk about how COVID-19 could potentially impact your existing policy, or if you're looking for a new one, will this impact you if you're going to purchase a new policy? The most common policy people purchase is life insurance. And if you have an existing life insurance and you got diagnosed of COVID-19, your life insurance policy will still pay out. However, there's a 2-year incontestable period condition. What that really means is insurance companies has the right to investigate if your policy has any misrepresentations in materials. They want to make sure that you're not buying this insurance because you already have a known situation or medical conditions to try to claim for the payout. If you're considering having a new policy, if the coverage typically is below 1 million, you can eligible for a non-medical underwriting, which means you just need to disclosure your current medical conditions and family history, and perhaps maybe the insurance company will obtain a physician's note from your family doctor or specialist. Then you're able to purchase a new policies without going through blood work or urine sample. However, typically if the coverage is more than 1 million, you will need to go through the examinations such as blood tests and urine samples or any other medical examination. Now in that case, because during COVID-19, the third party, which is the medical provider, because they have the COVID protocol in place now, you will need to be on the wait list in order to get the blood tests and urine sample done. Comment below if you have any question related to the life insurance. I'm happy to answer them or make another video to explain more details about it. Another policy that people may purchase is called critical illness insurance. You may have it or you may not have it, or maybe you never heard about it. What critical illness insurance really is to pay out a lump sum of money if you're diagnosed of the covered critical illnesses on the list. Every insurance company is different. Some cover for 18 different illnesses, some cover for up to 25 different illnesses. The two covered illnesses I want to talk about today is coma and loss of independence. Now, if you don't see this two terminology or definition on your policy, don't panic. If you do diagnose a COVID, that could lead to complication, maybe to kidney failures. If it's more than 90 days, you could be still eligible for the claims, even though you don't have a definition for coma or loss of independence. If your policy do have these two definitions, it's great, because coma means if you get really critically ill from COVID, that you become irresponsive and more than 90 days, maybe you are admitted to ICU in that case. And then if your coma score is less than 4, then you're eligible for the claims under the definition of coma. Now with the loss of independence, okay, that one there are 6 daily activities, right? So it's toileting, bathing, dressing, eating, transferring, and loss of bowels and urine. Okay, these 6, if you're eligible 2 out of the 6 one, and it's a reversible condition for at least more than 90 days, then you're eligible for this claim. It is always a great idea to review your wordings for your existing insurance policy, because every insurance company may have different definitions, and because depending on when you buy the insurance policies, maybe your policy wording also slightly differently. Check with your advisors and go over it. It's always great to have an annual review about your existing policies. Remember to subscribe my channel and leave a comment below.